What happens to your toenail when it falls off and how to heal? The answer is more fascinating than you might think, revealing how your body repairs itself and how you can speed up the process safely. Toenails most often fall off because of trauma like stubbing your toe or wearing tight shoes. Sometimes fungal infections or skin conditions cause them to lift and eventually detach. Your nail bed, the skin beneath the nail, usually stays intact. This bed is crucial because it's where new nail cells grow. Without damage to the nail bed, your body starts forming a new nail within days to weeks after losing the old one. After your toenail falls off, your body starts repairing the area immediately. New nail cells form at the base where the old nail was attached. It usually takes about 6 months for a toenail to fully regrow, although this varies by person. During this time, the exposed nail bed is vulnerable to infection and irritation, so protecting it is key. Keeping the area clean and dry helps prevent complications and supports healthy regrowth. To help your toenail heal well, clean the area gently every day with mild soap and water. Apply an antibiotic ointment if recommended by a doctor. Keep the toe covered with a breathable bandage to prevent dirt and bacteria from entering. Avoid tight shoes or activities that put pressure on the toe. If you notice redness, swelling, or unusual discharge, see a healthcare professional to prevent infection. Proper care supports faster regrowth and reduces discomfort. So when your toenail falls off, your body begins an incredible healing process that can take months but usually leads to full regrowth. Protecting the nail bed and keeping it clean is essential to avoid infection and speed recovery. Now you know what's happening beneath the surface every time you lose a toenail. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.